Good afternoon. Today is December the 5th. This is Chris. We got Mike on the inside. We're shooting this video at North Texas Equipment. Okay, this is our 2004 International 4300. This has the DT 466, the very best big truck engine that they make right now. It's also equipped with the 60-foot High Ranger with a 60-foot boom on it. Also equipped with the Kubota 3-cylinder pony motor that also has the PTO backup on it. So this truck's pretty loaded down. We're shooting this video for Wesley in Virginia and I believe Nick in Ohio. If I got your names wrong, I'm sorry, but we got two people that are really interested in this. This is a first come, first serve deal. So we're gonna walk around the truck. We'll show you the good, the bad, the ugly, and fly the boom, let you listen to the engine, and we'll drive it off to show you that everything on it works. So coming right up on it, a lot of times these grills right here will be busted out. These are pretty, you know, this is all good. The fins are all nice on it. Bumper's got some scratches on it or whatnot. Looked like it had some old racing stripes on it. You can see where the decals used to be. It's not a perfect truck. There's the steer tires on it. Fuel tank ain't all beat up. That's where your pony motor is. And this is a diesel pony motor. It runs off the same fuel tank as the big truck. It's a pretty rare deal. We usually see the pony motors on the gasoline trucks, but on the diesel pony motors, it's a little less common. You can see on here that the frame is really clean. There's not a lot of corrosion. You can tell this was definitely a southern truck. If you look right there, I mean, even looking down here on the drive shaft, that will just be covered in rust if this was a northern truck, and it's definitely not. The tires match the front, maybe a little better. Look like, I don't know, 70% still left on it. No big dents on the box here on this side. The floor's not all rusted out. Pintle style hook on there. Box is in good shape on this side. And the good thing about these dumps is the side of that is just a big rolling white billboard. So you put your decals on there with the big phone number. If you're at traffic, a gas station, wherever, you know, it's always good marketing and advertisement. Your boxes are in good shape. Boom up top's in really good shape. You know, like I said, just pure cosmetics on that. Front tire as well. So what we'll do now is we'll have Mike start up the engine, let you listen to that. Runs real smooth. No blow by. As you can see over here, no blow by, no smoke, nothing crazy, no knocking. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is Mike's gonna kill the engine. He's gonna step back and he's gonna hold this phone, and I'm gonna get on this. I'm gonna fire up the pony motor, and we're gonna fly the boom, and then he's gonna drive away.
operation. Upper boom is being raised to full height. Now we're rotating the boom. Very smooth, no noise. Very important. Rotating the boom back. Gonna dump the chipper box. Boom. This is all being operated right now off the pony motor. It could be operated either way, off the truck PTO or the pony motor. The upper boom's back in the cradle. Raising the outriggers.
Okay, so I'm going to show you the ignition. Right there. He's pulling up the other side, and then he's going to drive off. But before then, let me show you the inside. headliner's all in pretty good shape. Here is your PTO backup. This is just a regular 6-speed in the floor, just like a pickup truck. No splitting gears or anything crazy. Just push in your clutch, shift your gears, and you're good to go. So pretty decent truck. Now Mike's gonna drive off in it. We're pricing this one to sell. The first one to pay us on it wins. Very good truck for the money. It's in great shape for the year. So you can call Mike on his cell number. You can reach me, Chris, at 817-889-1035 at North Texas Equipment. Thank you, guys.